Welcome to another What I Eat in a Day video. I'm starting off today with a rich chocolatey smoothie. It's what I was craving, and I like to listen to my body, so if I'm craving something, I just try to make the healthiest version of that possible. So I like adding coconut water, chocolate coconut water to my chocolate smoothies because it just gives it really nice flavor. And I also add cacao, which is full of antioxidants. And I also add a tiny bit of cardamom. It just makes it taste rich and delicious. And this is a smoothie that I probably drink once a week, and it's definitely one that I like drinking before the gym. And I could add protein, but I didn't this time. It was still so delicious, and it's also really filling. It could be a meal replacement as well. I decided to have oranges for my fruit portion of my breakfast. I wanted something high in vitamin C just because I was feeling a little bit sniffly, so I had 2 oranges. For lunch, I decided to make a raw tomato soup. This is a recipe that I picked up while I was working at an Italian restaurant years ago called Obica, and it's a very basic tomato, basil. I added a tiny bit of mint, olive oil, and salt. So it's really simple, but the flavor combinations are so amazing. Oh my God, this soup is so good. The first time I tried it years ago, I was obsessed with it, and now I just make it all the time just because it's a really quick meal, and I like topping it with some sunflower seeds just because it adds some crunch to it. For dinner, I decided to go with something more comforting and heavier, and I wanted to make a squash that was just sitting in my fridge, so I'm going to just saute that with garlic and herbs. I always add fresh herbs to anything I'm sauteing, like vegetables or roasting vegetables. I always add herbs. That way you can add flavor without having to add extra salt. And I've been making my own tortillas. I used to buy them. I'm making them myself now, and it is so easy. I have a video on how to make them, and it's just the best thing I could have done because I'm cutting out a lot of preservatives from my diet that way because I used to eat a lot of tortilla. Or I'm serving my squash with guac and refried beans, which I had made previously, and oh my gosh, this plate was so comforting. I had 2 bowls of it. I also had some vegan chocolate chip cookies from Trader Joe's. I had 3 in total, and they were the bomb. And that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please give it a thumbs up because it really helps my channel, and subscribe if you haven't already so you can come back for more videos in the future. Bye!